Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Game of Trades, and this is going to be a technical analysis of natural gas futures. I'm going to go ahead and analyze whether the outlook I have is still bullish from a technical standpoint. So just looking at the price action, is the swing trade that we have from the bottom here to the top, is it still active? I'm going to go ahead and talk about that in this video. So let's get right into it. This is a daily chart of natural gas, and you can see it is pretty much the same story. We have multiple divergences on the daily chart. We have two lower lows on the daily chart on the price, whilst the MACD is still maintaining the higher lows. So we do not have a significant drop on the daily chart. You know, it would take a big downside move for us to burn through these divergences. So I don't think it will happen. I think they'll play out. And in my opinion, they have not played out to the extent that I would like them to just yet. I do see more upside for now. How much upside? I'm going to talk about that right now. I think that we are in a precarious position on the MACD here. You can see right here we are right below the zero line, so we are still in bearish territory. And so it makes sense that, you know, being just below the zero line, you know, we don't have any big moves to the upside just yet. It is still fairly hesitant to go into bullish territory, especially considering the season. We are just at the beginning of summer. You know, prices of natural gas prices don't tend to go very high before summer. You know, this huge spike was right actually at the end of summer, towards September it started, and it ended in mid-November, so right before winter. And you know, so this doesn't really apply to now, but we can have steady moves up, especially after such a big move down, after such an extended downtrend like we had right here. Around the same time, we had a nice steady uptrend all the way to the top of a trading range. And right now, that is what I'm essentially looking for in natural gas. We bought it right at the bottom, and I think I've made myself pretty clear. I think I'm going to hold natural gas until I can sell it at a better price, obviously, and higher than the highs that we have made here. Now, obviously, if you are a active trader, if you can day trade in the hourly and 15-minute charts, you can trade these small, highs within the uptrend and buy at the dips within, again, the uptrend. But essentially, if you're just a swing trader looking for, a one buy, one sell type of deal, well, you know, you can buy here if you haven't already bought at the bottom, and you can sell when the technicals start showing some bearish developments on the daily chart, which is for now not the case. So I'm going to show you the hourly chart and see and tell you what I think in the short term. So clearly on the hourly chart, it is a bullish trend. You can see we're making series of higher lows and a series of higher highs. So the bulls are in control compared to a couple weeks ago when the bears were clearly in control. So the momentum has clearly switched from bearish to bullish with this nice basing pattern. And back on the daily chart, one more thing I wanted to show you guys is that obviously we had this big red day here. So someone asked me after this red day, has my outlook changed? No, I think until we break this 2.5 level, this huge support level that we've bounced off many times, that we've regained right here, we regained it, and currently we're just backtesting it, and so far successfully. We do have a couple green candles off of it, and until we see more red side, which is it's not out of the picture. I do have my stops right under this level. I think until we break that, my outlook will remain bearish. Obviously, anything can happen in trading, and in the scenario where we start going down further, which is possible, unlikely but possible, you'll have to have your stop set tight and sell natural gas, and perhaps we'll get a better entry a little bit lower. That's about all I wanted to say on natural gas for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. In the meantime, good luck, and see you next time.